Do you feel pain in your shoulder when you lift your arm, reach behind your back, or even while sleeping? If yes, you're not alone. Shoulder pain is one of the most common problems today, especially for people who sit for long hours, use their phones frequently, or don't move enough. Ignoring shoulder pain is one of the biggest mistakes you can make, because what starts as a small discomfort can slowly turn into stiffness, limited movement, and even chronic pain. The good news? You don't need expensive treatments to start fixing it. Hi, I'll show you simple ways to relieve shoulder pain, improve mobility, and prevent it from getting worse. First, shoulder rolls. Raise your arms and roll them up and back. Finally, practice good posture daily. Make sure you watch till the end, because one small habit I'll share later can make a huge difference. Before we fix the problem, let's understand it. Your shoulder is one of the most flexible joints in your body. It allows you to move your arm in almost every direction, up, down, but this flexibility comes at a cost. Because your shoulder is not as stable as other joints, it depends heavily on muscles, tendons, and ligaments for support. When these muscles become weak, tight, or imbalanced, your shoulder starts to suffer. This is when pain begins. First, poor posture. If you sit with your shoulders rounded forward for long hours, it puts continuous stress on your shoulder muscles.
When you don't move your shoulders enough, they become stiff and lose flexibility.
Overuse of repetitive movements like typing and using a mouse can strain your shoulder. Lifting objects incorrectly also causes strain. And fourth, muscle imbalance. Some muscles become tight while others become weak, leading to improper movement. All these factors combine to create pain, stiffness, and restricted motion. Most of these issues are reversible. With the right exercises and habits, you can restore strength, flexibility, and comfort. Let's start with one of the simplest and most effective exercises, shoulder rolls. This exercise helps release tension and improves blood flow. Here's how to do it. Keep your back straight and your arms relaxed by your sides. Now slowly roll your shoulders forward in a circular motion. Make the movement slow and controlled. Do 10 repetitions. Then reverse the direction. Roll your shoulders backward. Again, do 10 repetitions. Focus on smooth, gentle movements. Don't rush. This exercise may look simple, but it's very powerful. It helps reduce stiffness, improves mobility, and prepares your shoulders for more movement. If you sit for long hours, you should do this exercise multiple times a day. Now let's move to the second exercise, the arm raise stretch. This helps improve flexibility and reduces tightness. Stand or sit straight. Slowly raise one arm above your head. Keep your movement controlled. Hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds. Repeat this with the other arm. If you feel slight discomfort, that's normal, but don't push into pain. This stretch helps open up your shoulder joint and improve time. You'll notice it becomes easier to lift your arms. Now the third exercise, cross-body stretch. This is great for releasing tight shoulder muscles. Bring one arm across your chest. Use your other hand to gently press it closer to your body. Hold this position for 10 seconds. Switch sides and repeat. Make sure you keep your shoulders relaxed. Don't lift them up. This stretch targets the back of your shoulder and helps reduce stiffness. Now let's add another effective stretch. Stand next to a wall. Place your hand on the wall at shoulder height. Slowly turn your body away from the wall. You'll feel a stretch in your shoulder and chest. Hold this position for 10 to 15 seconds. Exercises are important, but posture is even more important. If your posture is wrong, your pain will keep coming back. Here's what you need to do. Sit with your back straight. Keep your shoulders relaxed, not rounded forward. Keep your screen at eye level. Avoid looking down at your phone for long periods. Your daily routine plays a big role in your recovery. Take breaks every 30 to 60 minutes. Move your shoulders regularly. Avoid carrying heavy bags on one side. And most importantly, stay active. If you follow these exercises and habits daily, you will start noticing improvement in your shoulder pain. Remember, consistency and to get worse. Start taking care of your body today. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Heal Quick for more simple health tips and quick relief exercises. Stay active, stay healthy.